Hey there friend, if you decide to set your own photo as your wallpaper, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set your own photo as your wallpaper. Let's get started. First, open the default gallery app your phone. After the app is open, scroll through the page. Here you can see all of the saved photos and videos listed there. Simply find the exact photo if you want to set as your wallpaper. For example, I am set this car image for my wallpaper. Simply tap on the image to open the full view. After that, tap on the three dots more icon at the top right corner. Here you can see set as wallpaper. Click on them. You can see the various multiple options there. For example, lock screen, home screen, lock and home screen, always on display. For this tutorial, I am set this photo my lock screen wallpaper. So click on the lock screen option. If you are decide to set bot, you can select bot option and wait to open the next page. After the page is open, if your phone is supported, you can see various editing options such as suggested, gallery, frame, effect or other. If your phone is support, you can apply this. Everything is okay. If you want to set it, simply tap on the done button at the very top right corner and wait to complete the successfully setup process. After it done, to check it work, simply log into your phone and you can check it your lock screen wallpaper change it or not. Right now my phone is changed. Hopefully this guide will help you. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see you in the next video.